it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are on another day of peaks. Our release day for our box of the month will be August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So today we're going to reveal another product. First, we revealed this really super cute stamp called Hello Bears. We revealed the Fall Sunshine paper pad and coordinating ephemera. And today we are revealing a second stamp set. This is called Warm Drink Cold Day at JLC Design Studios. So super cute artwork, and I love the coffee cups. I love that the mugs are nice and big, easy for paper piecing. So how cute would that be? We have sentiments. Happiness is a hot drink on a cold day. May your life be filled with happiness and overflowing hot chocolate. You, me, coffee, now. We've got a single marshmallow, a couple of hearts, two different sizes, a cinnamon stick and a peppermint stick. So we're going to color up some of these images today, and then tomorrow I'll reveal the second paper pad and coordinating ephemera, and we'll put some cards together using the colored images from today. Today I'm using the Express It blending cardstock. So we don't have to color the mugs today because tomorrow we're going to paper piece that with the paper pad. So I'm going to color up the coffee areas and all the other bits. So I'm going to use E74, E71, and E70. Okay, I added a little E25 right there, just for a little warmth. And now I'm going to work on this other one here. So we can do the chocolate syrup, and because we are going to paper piece the mug itself, but we're not going to paper piece the syrup. And I'm going to go in with the E25 as well. This is going to be my overflowing hot chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to color up the marshmallows. I'm just going to add a little shadow to them. I'm going to use E50 and E70. I'm going to do the same with the whipped cream. I'm going to take my zero and blend it out a little bit. I'm going to color up those little cinnamon sticks, but we're going to color them pink and cream. I'm going to color up those cinnamon sticks with the E25. And then the little hearts we're going to do in pink. I'm going to fade them off with this E50. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and paper piece these. I might have them paper pieced and ready to go. So the video isn't too long because we're going to be putting a lot of cards together tomorrow using the paper and the ephemera and these images. So I might have those ready to go. But if you haven't seen how to paper piece, I will leave one of these ready to show you tomorrow. So come back tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time, to see the next sneak peek. Right now we have 3 more days till release day. So August 1st and 9 a.m. Central is when you can purchase the box of the month. So remember, if you're purchasing the box right now, you are purchasing the July products. So our July box is in stock. You can grab that now if you wish. But our August box will be available August 1st. So thanks so much for stopping by, guys. I hope you are enjoying these peeks. Let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.